This calculator solves a critical problem in optical engineering, predicting laser beam behavior at the focal point. Whether you're designing laser cutting systems, optical instruments, or research setups, you need to know exactly how small your focus spot will be and how the beam propagates through space. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes. You can calculate spot radius, required focal length, input beam diameter, Rayleigh range, far field divergence, or spot size at distance. For this demonstration, we'll use the default mode, Calculate Spot Radius. Starting with the input fields, wavelength lambda in nanometers captures your laser's operating wavelength. Focal length f in millimeters is your focusing lens specification. Input beam diameter d in millimeters measures your collimated beam before the lens. The beam quality factor m² accounts for real-world beam imperfections, with 1 being ideal. Distance from focus z in millimeters lets you analyze beam behavior beyond the focal point. Let's work through an example. Enter wavelength 1064 nanometers for a common YAG laser. Set focal length to 100 millimeters. Input beam diameter 10 millimeters. Keep m² at 1.1 for a good quality beam. The calculator instantly shows spot radius of 37.4 micrometers and Rayleigh range of 4.1 millimeters. These outputs tell you the minimum beam waist radius at focus and the distance over which the beam stays relatively collimated. The Rayleigh range defines your useful working distance where the spot size remains within √2 of minimum. Remember, smaller spot sizes require either shorter focal lengths or larger input beam diameters, but this increases divergence after focus. Find the link in the description below.